Over a dozen stolen cars, an Uzi submachine gun, hundreds of rounds of ammunition and contraband from a French nation were seized in Clarendon during the month of July. The police say the seizure points to the guns for drugs trade, which is active in the parish. The declaration was made at a recent meeting of the Maypen Chamber of Commerce. TVJ's Kelisha Williams tells us more.
To go inside your house or your home and can't sleep is sufficient to give you nightmares.
And a nightmare it has been for many people in Clarendon. The parish has been wearing the unwanted moniker of the second bloodiest parish since the start of the year, with 85 murders. While the murder figures have been stark, Head of Operations in the Clarendon Police Division, DSP Paul Bernard, says other crimes have taken root in the parish, among them car theft.
Since July, we have recovered more than a dozen stolen cars. Mark you, some of them can't even identify them, but they take them and take and then burn.
He also told stakeholders and the media that the gun for drugs trade is active in the parish. DSP Bernard pointed to a recent spot check in Freetown, during which contraband from a French nation were discovered.
One was a submachine gun, 488 rounds, $4,000 US, and the little package that the US dollar was in is not Jamaican, it's not patois, it's not English, it's not Spanish for me. Can't speak Spanish, me hablo español poquito. See? It's what? Guess and tell me what language? Huh? No, Chinese one. French! Which country near to us speak French? Thank you. Gun for drugs trade.
While the police acknowledged that a lot of the gangsters are in custody, we were told the lack of cooperation from residents continue to pose a challenge. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.